In this video, I'll show you how to easily set a timer on your Instagram camera. Be sure to wait until the end to avoid any mistakes. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app. Once you're in, swipe to the right to access the Instagram camera. Keep in mind that the timer feature is available only in Reels mode. So, let's switch to Reels. At the top of the screen, you'll see a clock icon that allows you to set a timer. Tap on it. And you can adjust the timer duration by dragging the slider left or right, selecting anywhere from 1 to 16 seconds. You can also set the countdown duration, choosing between 3 seconds and 10 seconds. Once you've made your selections, tap Set Timer. Then when you're ready, hit the record button. After the 3 seconds countdown, it will start recording your reel with the timer activated. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please give it thumbs up